Welcome to Machine Learning Used in Flutter, the complete guide course. Machine learning used in app development is increasing exponentially, but developers who can build ML power applications are very rare, which means that the demand for such developers is quite high. So it's perfect time to update your skill set. This course will teach you to build machine learning based Flutter applications without knowing any background knowledge of machine learning. It means that without knowing anything about machine learning algorithms, we will build applications like object detection, image classification, face detection, text recognition, pose estimation, text translation, image segmentation, barcode scanning, fuel efficiency predictor, and much more. Apart from all of this, you will learn to train your own machine learning models and build Flutter application with just few clicks. So without a doubt, this is the best Flutter machine learning course available online. And if you have a very little knowledge of Flutter, you must take this course. My name is Muhammad Hamza Asif and I am a leading mobile machine learning instructor at Udemy. And this course is the most special and exciting course of our mobile machine learning series. The course is divided into three major sections. In the first section, we will learn the use of Firebase ML kit inside Flutter to build image labeling, text recognition, barcode scanning, face detection, text translation and language identification applications. Then in the second section of this course, we will learn the use of tflite models inside Flutter. TensorFlowLite is a standard format for running ML model inside mobile devices. So in this section, firstly we will learn the use of popular pre-trained machine learning models inside Flutter and build image classification, object detection, pose estimation, and image segmentation applications. After that, we will learn the use of regression models inside Flutter and build couple of applications including fuel efficiency predictor for vehicles. Then in the final section of this course, you will learn to train your own machine learning models. So we will explore some platforms that enable us to train powerful machine learning models without knowing any background knowledge of machine learning. So you will learn to collect and arrange the dataset for model training. Then you will learn to train the model on that dataset. Then finally, we will use those models inside our Flutter applications. So after completing this course, you will be able to build powerful machine learning based Flutter applications. You will have more than 15 powerful ML based Flutter applications to empower your CV, and you can impress your potential employer with your Flutter ML skills. Apart from all of this, the course comes with a 30 days money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose here. But one important question is, who can take this course? If you are a beginner Flutter developer or even an experienced professional, this course is for you. But you must have a very little knowledge of Flutter to start this course. So, if you want to distinguish yourself from other app developers, you must learn the ML model used inside your Flutter applications. So join me today in this most comprehensive and exciting Flutter ML course.